Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain, has a manual trunk lid there for this particular latch. You turn it, use my other hand to pull it out here. Once it's pulled out, you can take it to the ground with just one finger. It is spring assisted. Look here, I got one finger on it. Take that to the ground. As you enter inside the van, you got your 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, 2 all the way up front. This van is made to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. It has the upgraded jump seats on these. These seats are about a $1,000 upgrade because they're more narrow. There's about 26 inches of room between those seats. If you need exact measurements on anything, please call, let me know. I'll get you those measurements. Measure before you buy, okay? I'll help you out however I can. You gotta let me know. Got the rear air controls up there. The headliner's in excellent condition. The dash is in wonderful shape. I don't see any holes or cracks in the dash. It's got the steering wheel controls, so the driver, the driver, your employees, whoever's driving this van can keep their eyes on the road. That's very important. You've got the radio, the auxiliary port there, the MP3 player. It's got dual climate control. Driver can be temperature number 1. Passenger can be temperature number 2. And you got rear air controls. You can control the air in the back as well. You got plenty cup holders, couple there, 4 there, couple on the sides. It's got 8 cup holders up here. So cup holders don't look like they'll be a problem. Once you've got everybody secure in the van, you come back out, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. Look here, I can do one finger. Extremely easy to do. Not all the upkeep and maintenance of a manual or of electric ramp and door, so I strongly suggest if you can get by with a manual ramp and door that you do it. As I do a walk around on the van, it's got the tinted windows in the rear, keep you nice and cool in the summertime, give you privacy as well year round. Got a little bruise there on the bumper. Overall though, it's a very clean van. It's got the hubcaps. The tires are fair condition, they're certainly not brand new. They do have some miles left on them. Front tires are getting pretty low. Probably need replaced in the next few thousand miles. And I hope you see in our videos, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can in our video. I want you to know everything about this van. The first time you lay eyes on it, I want you to say to yourself, that's exactly the van Jeremiah was representing. Now as far as, tires, full tanks of gas, long free warranties. Folks, I'm selling this van at wholesale. If you want to pay $10,000 more at your local dealer, at retail, maybe they'll slap a brand new set of tires on. Maybe they'll fill it up with gas for you. Maybe they'll put a nice warranty on it. You'll still be about $8,500 better if you buy from me. But if those things are that big to you, remember you're buying wholesale. Don't save $10,000 on a van and then expect us to do everything that a retail dealer would do. So, just being honest with people. There's the VIN number in case you see it. I've got a saying in the car business, people buy a $2,500 car, they want it to perform like a $25,000 car. So obviously this is more than a $2,500 vehicle, but just giving you a little insight to being a dealer. 59,000 miles currently on it. Fire it right up. Starts first time every time. Got a little check engine light, dummy light, airbag light, all those work. It does come with one key. It's got the keyless entry. If you want us to make another key at your cost, we'd be more than happy to. Let us know. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Also in the glove box comes with the user's guide. I forgot to show that to you, so I'll make sure you know that's in there. Before I pop the hood, we'll check the power windows, power mirrors. Everything works. Power locks all work. They're not going to work right now because the door's open. Can't lock myself out. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly, no signs of any major leaks certainly. Everything underneath looks good, no signs of any damage. We check these vehicles out before we buy. Underneath the van, it's fairly rust free. Again, no signs of any major leaks or anything like that. Pretty clean. As I go around to the side, now folks, I don't care who you're buying from or where you're buying from. If you're gonna buy a vehicle sight unseen, or you can't get down underneath like this, have them get out and make you a video. I can buy these vans up in New York, Chicago, New Jersey, I can buy them from a dime a dozen. I can bring them down here. I can sell them to you. I could probably make another couple $1,000s a van. The problem is, those vans are going to be rusted out underneath, and no one's going to tell you about it. But I do. That's not how I do business. So, if you're going to buy from somebody, and I don't care where they're from, there's rusty vehicles any state in the country. So know who you're buying from. Buy from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business over 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You can see by our reviews online that we're honest and we try to be as fair as we possibly can. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway so you can hear the engine runs, so you can hear the transmission shift, and you can see that whether you pick this van up from us or we ship it out to you, that this van is roadworthy. So I'm going to get it up to about 70 miles an hour here. If traffic will let me. Yeah, we got a clearance here. We can kicked it up about 70 there. I'm going to back the cruise down to about 65. Cruise control works good. You can see that steering wheel is not jumping back and forth. It drives nice and straight down the highway. And when you're out there, you're comparing, who you want to buy a mobility van from. I want you to ask yourself, I want you to ask the other dealers, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? If they don't, you want to ask them why not. I know that we do. If you're buying from an individual, you don't know who you're buying from. When you buy from a dealer, we're governed by the state. We have to get you a title. There's certain laws we have to abide by. You have some protection. If you buy from an individual, you have zero protection. They don't even have to get you a title or a properly signed title unless you try to take them to court. Good luck with that. Do they get out and make a video for you, whether you're buying from a dealer or individual? Because obviously we do. You're watching it right now. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Ask them. That's not how I do business. I don't put one price and then try to slide $500, $1,000 in hidden fees on the back end. No thank you. If you get on eBay, we have over 500 reviews, all positive. Folks, that's 500 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility Solutions. I'm going to give the van a hard brake. There's no one behind me. I see the lights green. No grinding, no squeaking. The front end is solid. So overall, is it a brand new van? Of course not. Does it run and drive real nice? Got low miles and should make a really good van for your family or your business for years to come, as long as it's taken care of? I believe so. So if you ever want to come look at one of our vehicles, please always give me a call. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. And I believe when you combine our videos, our reputation, our price, that no one can compete with us. No one can compete with our value. Go ahead and put it to the test. Look around. And check us out 24 hours a day online, www.mobility316.com. Almost all of our vehicles have videos like this that show you exactly what you're getting. So thank you for checking us out. And thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.